In this video I'm going to be plotting the locus of a point as written here. So the locus of a point is just how a point moves as it's rotated around. So here we have point A, and I'm going to show how it is moved around this line here. So I set up my line 1, 2, 3, 4. So the distance from 1 to 2 is 150 millimeters. The distance 2 to 3 is 50 millimeters. And the distance from 3 to 4 is 150 millimeters again. And the angle here at 1, 2, 3 is 135 degrees. So I set up my square of 50 mil sides. So the first step I have to do, take my compass, set that radius, and strike an arc down here. That gives me this point here. So if I take a light line horizontally across from the top of my square, that will give me a steady height line as I go along. So now I'm marking my colour when I first move my locus. So this is where my arc struck my line 1, 2. So I draw this line straight up here, and then back to here. So I'm now after rotating this square into this position. So that means that point A rotates up and around. So here now is point A. So if I rotate that again, get my compass set to the distance, strike an arc that hits here at point 2. So grab my set square, and if I join this one up in purple, so here now is the new square which I'm after create. So if we rotate this point A again, it will now rotate around until this corner here, as we rotate the square one more time. So here now is the plot of point A. So now we've come down at this angle here. So all we have to do again is take our compass, set from 2 to point A, swing an arc the whole way down until it hits here at point 3. We know that this angle is 135, so this means this is 45 degrees. And if you're doing this out properly, you would use a set square and a drawing board. But I've drawn this out lightly beforehand, so I know if I go 90 degrees to this line, which is also 45 degrees to this line 3, 4, out until it hits this arc that I give my first point, then I go parallel down. So I'll show that by going like so. Now my point A will rotate down here to 3. So this is where point A is right now. And now I'm back to my level surface again. So all I have to do is take my compass, take this distance at A, swing it up, take this 50 millimeters, swing it down here till it hits this point. Now I know that my height is 50 millimeters of square, so I draw my horizontal line across, take this line straight up and straight up here when my arc hit the centre. I will now have another square which is intersecting here. And point A will remain in the same position as the square has just been tilted down to its full rotation. So now if we were to rotate this green square once more, take our compass, set the distance 50 millimeters, strike our arc till it hits line 3, 4. Now we can bring this up again. Now A will have rotated in the whole way around up to here. So this is now our new position of A. And our last rotation in this will end up with A coming down here. So take your compass again, take this down, point A is now rotated down to point 4. So if we can imagine our line, our locus of this point now has travelled from here to here, round here, back down to here, and it's stayed stationary for 2 rotations, back up to A and back down. So if we can join them up roughly with our black colouring pencil, hit all them points, come back up again, hit A, here and back down to 4. So we have now plotted the locus of our point as it has moved around a fixed square.